When designing your kitchen layout, it's all too easy to start daydreaming about wall-to-wall cabinets and islands with hidden storage. The kitchen is the heart of the home after all. It's only natural that you want it to be both beautiful and ergonomic. But before you go too far with your kitchen renovation, here are a few questions to ask yourself. Is my current kitchen functional? And if not, what can I change to improve it? Do I have enough space to cook? Would a different layout maximize my storage? Can I remove a wall to have an open concept kitchen? Do I have enough room for an island? Once you've answered all these questions, it's time to explore your options. The key to a good kitchen is efficiency, and the best way to achieve this is by optimizing the kitchen triangle. To do this, you'll want to position the most used elements together. So by making the sink, the stove, and the fridge accessible allows you to prepare and cook food with ease. A kitchen designer can help you find the best layout for your space. To give you an idea of options available, here are some common kitchen layouts. The one-wall kitchen lives up to its name. All countertops, cabinets, and appliances are placed on a single wall. This layout is common in small spaces, especially long, narrow homes, but works just as well in large rooms. In addition, it provides smooth flow and traffic, which is what you want in a kitchen. Here are some things to think about when choosing this type of layout. First, consider your work surfaces. The counter between the sink and the stove is going to be your prep station, so make sure there's enough room. Be sure to leave enough room around the stove, the fridge, and the dishwasher. You should be able to move around them easily when they're open. Opt for handless cabinets for a sleek style. Although this layout is suitable for small rooms, it has several drawbacks. For one, the kitchen triangle is harder to maintain. There is less counter space, meaning less room to prepare and plate meals. It's difficult to cook with another person, and everyone can see into the kitchen, so you'll need to keep it clean. If your kitchen is in an enclosed space, then a one-wall kitchen layout makes it feel like a hallway. In this case, play with accent colors and replace some cabinets with open shelving. Maintain a minimalist style when decorating, and you'll have a kitchen that's great to be in. L-shaped kitchens are very common for medium to large spaces between 150 to 200 square feet. They're great for families who cook big meals and need that extra space they can get. With this layout, you have lots of countertops, you have the ability to add a kitchen table or an island, and you do have lots of space to move around. The only disadvantage is that this layout has corner cabinets that can be hard to access if it's not designed with accessibility in mind. Replace a few of your cabinets with open shelving to create an airy look. It will also give you a place to display your favorite dishes and add a personal touch to your design. The galley layout is common in narrow spaces. It consists of two walls that face each other and hold all of the kitchen items like cabinets, stove, fridge, etc. It's great for homes where one person does most of the cooking. So to move comfortably, there should be at least 48 inches of space between the counters. To make the galley kitchen work well, you'll need to create a kitchen triangle that promotes flow and has an intuitive design. Also, free up work surfaces while maximizing storage. While this layout is effective, it does have some drawbacks. It can feel too small or restrictive if two or more people are cooking together. Also, the kitchen is more isolated, which makes it difficult to interact with people in the nearby rooms. You can't host gatherings or group events in this type of kitchen, so if you do want to make the space more open or bring some light, consider a kitchen cutout or an opening. It also allows you to interact with the family members around you. If you love to cook, then the U-shaped kitchen layout is a great choice. It makes working in the kitchen easy and efficient. Keep in mind that the layout is usually best suited for kitchens that open into another room. So to cook comfortably, you'll need to have a central space that is large enough to move around easily, and optimize your kitchen triangle by placing one major element along each wall. The U-shaped kitchen layout has two disadvantages. For one, it rarely allows you to add a kitchen table or an island unless you have a really big space. The two corner cabinets are often difficult to access, so to avoid this problem, be sure to invest in a storage system that makes them accessible. This type of kitchen is easy to decorate because it's large, so you can play with cabinetry colors, backsplash designs, and other materials without making the space feel small. If you have the space, all these layouts can be done in an open plan with an island. Of course, you'll have to check with an engineer to see if you can take down a wall, and if it's a load-bearing wall, you'll need to factor that cost in your budget. So once you've picked your kitchen layout, the fun can begin. You get to choose your backsplash design, countertop materials, your cabinets, and color styles. You also get to explore different lighting and flooring options. So browse the web, decorating magazines, and our projects on renoassistance.ca for inspiration. So this way, you'll be prepared when it's time to choose your finishes with your contractor. Kitchen renovations can be a ton of work, but definitely worth it. Just make sure you work with professionals in the field like one of our verified contractors to get the most out of your project. You'll have the kitchen of your dreams done on time and on budget. Wishing you a successful kitchen renovation.